Hey guys, this is Doug from Mustang Brothers. Well, we thought we were going to have a degree the cams in video, and I ran into some issues as I was recording. I'm having fitment problems with the chains and the tensioners and the guides. I was going to go with some billet guides, some good parts, and was a little tight on some cash, so I decided to get some stuff from AutoZone. The chains have the right amount of links. I think the issue is with the guides. I think they're too thick or something, but it will not let me put this tensioner on. You got to pry it, and when you pull the pin, there is no slack. Like it's just not right. It's not supposed to be that tight. So I took everything back off. I did get the valve covers together a little bit. Got this stuff in, the seals on. I'm going to be cleaning up the valve cover and repainting it. So I'll probably get that done today. I took the oil pan off. I'm going to have to order a new pickup tube. There's some stuff in the screen. I'm not going to let it go with stuff in the screen. Just gonna go buy a new one. So that's the update so far. I was hoping to be having the valve covers and everything on and everything degreed in and a lot further, but I might have to go return those parts tomorrow and maybe go get a different brand, go to a different store, go back to the same place where I usually get the stuff and never had the issue. Maybe it's because I got closed tensioners, or however you pronounce that, versus Duralast. So maybe there's an issue between the way they manufacture the stuff and it don't work with my tensioners. I'm not sure, but we did get top dead center figured out. So I mean, that is right on top dead center. Rolled all that around. I was showing that on the video, but this will just be an update. That way I got some type of video for you guys. It's been a little bit. I was hoping to show you some more stuff, but that's where I'm at right now.